Part of this lesson, we are discussing about our earth. Starting the introduction, how the earth is called a storehouse, that part is completed. Next, we discussed about the universe, the sun and the earth. Next part of this lesson, earth as a planetary body. Now we can go to discuss this part of this lesson. First of all, when we can observe to our solar system, Earth. So in world classes also you know that Earth is rotate on its axis. So in world classes we learn that information. The Earth is rotate on its axis from west to east direction. That's why every day we can observe sun rising at east, sunset at west. In 6th class you know the question also. So why we can observe daily the sun rising at east, sunset at west is causes by the rotation of our earth. It is rotate from west to east direction. So the earth is rotate on its axis from west to east axis. Next, you know that orbit, another point orbit. The earth is rotate on its axis at the same, it is revolving around the sun. So when the earth is revolving around the sun in definite path, a line, in a definite line, the definite path we can call orbit. So the earth is revolving around the sun in a definite path. Path means a line. That is we can call the definite path of the earth we can call orbit. So the uniform plane. So the orbit in a uniform plane we can call plane of the orbit. Plane of the orbit. Let us see the three pictures. So in our textbook given three pictures. Once we can check on the board. Here given three pictures A, B and C. See the three pictures A, B and C. So first one a circular pond. Here you can observe a sun middle, earth. This is earth. So this is orbit. The earth revolving around the sun, a definite orbit. First one a circular path. Second one B. This is the B. An elongated oval pond. So this is oval, like eggshell oval. An elongated oval pond. Third one, see the third one, see picture. A scaled oval pond. So when you can observe these three pictures, first one a circular path, second one B an elongated oval path, third one C a scaled oval path. Third picture is near picture. When we can compare to three pictures, C is the nearest. So when you can observe this picture, so sun, you know the sun middle and earth, this is calling orbit a definite path of the earth. So one side 1.4 centimeters one side and another side 1.5 centimeters another side. Next very important point, when the earth is revolving around the sun, the distance between the earth and the sun. So when the earth is revolving around the sun, the distance between the earth and the sun, the farthest point distance between sun and the earth 152 million kilometers. 152 million kilometers. In English, 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So the distance between earth and the sun, the farthest point it is 152 million kilometers. Second point, the distance between the sun and the earth, the closest point is equal to 147 million kilometers. So the closest point, the distance between the earth and the sun, the closest point is 147 million kilometers. And very important point, the earth is revolving around the sun at the speed of 1,07,200 kilometers per hour. See the speed of the earth. When the earth is revolving around the sun at the speed 1,07,200 kilometers per hour, by the speed the earth it will take 365 quarter days. 365 quarter days to complete one revolution. So to complete one revolution by the speed of 1 hour, earth speed 1,07,200 kilometers per 1 hour, the speed of the earth it will take to complete that to revolve around the sun. So by the speed it will take 365 quarter days. So to complete one revolution, it will take the earth will take 365 quarter days. Generally we are calling 1 year. Generally we are calling this is 1 year. So in lower classes you know that when the earth is revolving around the sun, here see the point. Earth is revolving around the sun. The earth is getting energy from the sun, different parts of the earth. Now right class you know that energy from the sun, the lesson. So when the earth is revolving around the sun, different parts of the earth getting energy from the sun. So when it is getting the energy from the sun, when it's revolving around the sun, it causes seasons. You know that earth we are observing like a winter, like summer and rainy season. This kind of all season, how it is happened by the revolution. So when the earth is revolving around the sun, it causes seasons. So that is the information. Earth as a planetary body. So the earth, this is the word in English. Taken from this word. In English you know that earth means like sand, earth means soil, the earth means soil. This kind of all meaning, soil, like dry land. This is the meaning. So this is earth as a planetary body. Next part of this lesson, the evolution of the earth. Evolution. So in English, evolution means changes. So what kind of changes we can observe on our earth? This is the next part of this lesson. So when we can discuss this part, the scientists are still debating about our earth. So the scientists have a lot of interest. They still debating about our earth. So according to our scientists' information, they believe that the earth is began around 4.5 billion years ago. 4.5 billion years ago. So in English, 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. So they believe that the earth is began around 4.5 billion years ago. So starting, the earth is a ball. Earth is a ball. And spill means moving around, containing with the dust and the clouds. And starting is a molten stage. In English, molten means hard liquid form. So earth is a ball, spill moving around. It is containing cloud and dust, molten stage. So massive rocks. It is a bomber, massive, attacked by massive rocks, and other materials came from the space. So when it is attacked by the massive rocks, and when it is attacked by the massive rocks and other materials come from the space, the earth size is grew up. After many years after, the earth is went into cool position. Starting is a molten position. For your understanding, example, here, like if you can boil a soup, so hard liquid form. So starting it is in molten stage. So it is like a boiling of like a soup. So when we can boil the soup, we can observe the particles, heavier particles and light particles. Heavier particles are going to down, bottom, lighter particles are coming to top. Same position. When the at least it is in molten position, heavier particles are going to bottom, lighter particles are coming to top. When lighter particles are coming to top of the air, after it's become cool and it's formed crust. Crust means a layer. Crust. Say when you can boil milk, so when it's going to cool position, you can observe top of the layer, it can form like a layer. We are calling like a cream crust. Same, the lighter particles when it came the top of the air, when it went into cool position, is formed a crust, a layer. Heavier particles when it's going to bottom, it is formed heavier particles when it's going to bottom in this earth, went into core, interior of the inside of the earth. Next, outer crust. So when it is formed the layer, and in the outer crust it is formed it is formed ridges. Ridges means in English mountains, and low areas, the basin, low areas it is formed oceans. So when we can observe the crusty area, it's wrinkle form, ridges means mountains, and the basins, low areas it is formed oceans. And different kind of gases we can observe in the atmosphere. Actually, starting there is no oxygen, which is life for us. So the oxygen is taken a long time. So the oxygen, different kind of gases we can observe in the atmosphere. So after when it is down to oxygen in the atmosphere and starting, it is barren. It is barren, unfruitful. When the rains started in this air, it filled up the oceans. The rains filled up the oceans. So starting in this air, there is no life. There is no life in this air, it is barren. Starting, the life is started in oceans. The life is started in oceans. The first life is started in oceans. After the life enter into plants. After the life enter into animals. Finally, the life enter into human beings. So, the life system, one by one, the life is started into the oceans, after into the plants, after into the animals, finally the life enter into human beings. So, this is the information about the evolution, the changes of the air. So, we completed 2 parts in this lesson, Earth as a planetary body and the evolution of the Earth.